Hi everyone. Today is a really special day because today we celebrate the 40th birthday of reliability-centered maintenance. Back in the mid-1960s in the commercial airline industry, the crash rate started to increase at an alarming rate, and they needed to do something about it. One of the things they did is they stepped back and they took a look at their philosophy as to how equipment failure actually behaved. And what they found is that it was completely inconsistent with reality. They needed a new way of doing business, and that's how reliability-centered maintenance principles were born. It was so successfully applied that in the mid-1970s, the United States Department of Defense commissioned United Airlines to write a report on what they were doing. And on December 29, 1978, the first book on reliability-centered maintenance was published. It was written by Stanley Nolan and Howard Heap, and embodied in this process are the basic truths of equipment failure and how to manage them. Now, I know this stuff works because for over 20 years, I've helped organizations implement these principles, and they've successfully been able to achieve their goals of reliability, get costs under control, and to get out of reactive mode. There's no reason why any organization has to run from fire to fire. You see, you don't have to wish for a better situation within your organization. You just have to understand the basic truths of equipment failure and what to do about it. So, it's the 40th birthday of reliability-centered maintenance, but the gift is ours. The gift of a philosophy that embodies the basic truths of equipment failure and what to do about them. It has stood the test of time for over 40 years and has helped countless organizations achieve their goals. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.